Hi guys, today I want to talk to you about some opportunities that you can take advantage of, that is of things that are around us. I will start first by simple things that we see people do. For example, if you live in the northern part of Nigeria where we have excessive amount of sun and you are a graduate or you just finished secondary school, you have a lot of opportunity in your hands. You can learn how to install solar panels and inverters. Big market, big market. The sun is there and you can apprentice under people who install panels. For example, where I currently stay, I have a solar panel inverter system installed. The cost of installation for a 2 days job, even though the workman actually dilly-dallied before he could finish doing the job, was 40K. I asked the gentleman what his educational background was. He told me that he had just only finished secondary school and he learned how to install inverters in Abuja before he came to Lagos and started doing this job. And he says that on the average, during peak period, they install about 4 to 5 solar panels in a week. Do the maths. So if they do 4 solar panel installations and they charge customers 40,000 naira, that means this guy makes about 160,000 naira a week. Multiply by 4, this guy earns about 560,000 naira. How many graduates do we know that earn this amount in a month? What about people who install DSTV panels and dishes for people in their homes? Though I think with the coming of Netflix, there may gradually be some decline in the number of people that need to install dishes in their house. But people are still buying DSTV decoders. For you to install a decoder, it will cost an average of 10 to 15,000 naira. Even if the technician was very cheap, 5,000 naira. Do the maths. They do an average of 2 installations in a day. So they make between 10 to 20,000 naira a day. It's a skill which you need to learn once and you can actually deploy it in any place. What about people who install and fix ACs? Immaterial of the size of the AC that you buy, of course, the bigger, the higher the charge. But the basic AC, whether it is 1 horsepower, the minimum fee they charge for installation is 5,000 naira just to install it for you. So if the gentleman installs 3 in a day, he makes 15,000 naira a day. You do the maths. These are very simple things that people can do. Of course, people will say, well, why did I go and study a degree only for me to be installing decoders? But how are you any better? If the salary that you are earning as a graduate is 50,000 naira a month, in it you'll be expected to transport, to eat, to buy data, to take care of yourself. Why people who you school at are making more money than you do? I think it's time for you to question some of the things you do. Even if you did it temporarily so that you can go to other things, it's worth considering. So that's something I want you to think about today. Think about it. Till I see you again, I still have more opportunities to talk in the next video.